Now for another fun hat, and again, this one is still using the double hex base, so I've got my double layer of hexes going on there. What we're gonna do with this one's pretty quick and easy, but it really gives a nice fun effect. What we're gonna do is you're gonna pick a color, it doesn't matter which one. I'm gonna start with the lilac here on the top. I'm gonna go out to the end and pull out about a handwidth bubble. And then looking at our base, you can see how the lilac is attaching over the white. I'm gonna jump back 2 spots, see how, and the lilac goes this way, so I'm still going the same direction. And now, so I'm gonna go, since it's in over the white one here, I'm gonna skip over past the blue and it's gonna come into the green. I'm just basically jumping over the 2. And I'm gonna twist it in there at the base of the green like that. Next to the lilac is a white. I'm gonna skip that and go over to the blue. Pull off my handwidth bubble. And then again, I'm gonna jump 2 bases over and twist it in, which will put it at the yellow like that. So you can see how I'm taking every other one. I've done the lilac and the blue, and then they've gone over alternating. So I've got one more to do. So since I just did the blue, I'm gonna skip the green, go to the red, pull off the handwidth bubble on the end, and then again on the base, I'm gonna skip 2 over so it'll come into the white. So I've got every other one going down, each one going down and skipping over 2. Now I'm gonna come back with the others that I just skipped. I'm gonna start with the white one here. I'm gonna go out and pull a bubble on the end of it, a handwidth bubble just like we've been doing. And this time, I'm gonna go the opposite direction. So, since these were going to the right, now my white is gonna go back to the left over this way. And then on the bottom, since we did every other one, now you've got every other one available. So where the red was in there, my white's gonna come over here to where the lilac was. And I'm gonna twist that one in there. Now I'm gonna take my yellow, pull off my handwidth bubble in the end, and again, go the opposite direction from where we first started. Skip over, and it'll go into the red. That leaves my green, a handwidth bubble on the end. And again, we're gonna cross over to what would be my last remaining pink strip there on the bottom, and twist that one in there. Straighten these up so it's going to sit just a little better. And if you fan all those kind of out, you get a really nifty pattern there, looking at it from, there's the side view, the bottom, and of course we're going to take and put all our little bubbles on the end pieces here. And what I'm doing when I do this, I'm just grab the bubble in your hand, and then I grab the uninflated part with my other finger so that it can't inflate, it just forces the air out to the end. It's real easy. And there you go. Another really fun hat.